Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 5 Progressions HOTS question example 2. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. Siva took 4 minutes to complete the first kilometer of a 15-kilometer run. He could not sustain his stamina, thus for each subsequent kilometer, he took 1/7 more time compared to the time for the previous kilometer. The participants who finished the run more than 2 hours are not qualified for the state level run. Did Siva qualified? Show calculation to support your answer. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve this question. Whenever you encounter this type of long questions, the very first step of what you need to do is you need to look for the useful information and underline them so that you will be clear on what you are going to solve. Okay, because from that information you are going to convert to equation, and from that equation you're going to get a solution for this question. Okay, remember guys, information, equation and solution. Okay, so from here let us take a look at this question and underline some of the key points. Okay, so from here take a look at the first sentence. Siva took 4 minutes to complete the first kilometer of a 15-kilometer run. Okay, this information is very useful for us, so you can underline this. Okay, 4 minutes to complete the first, okay, let me underline this, kilometer of a 15-kilometer run. Okay, so this is your first information. Okay, so continue to read again. He could not sustain his stamina, thus for each subsequent kilometer he took 1/7 more time compared to the time for the previous kilometer. Okay, let's say in the first kilometer, okay, if you run normally, that means for the second kilometer he will took 1/7 times longer, and then for the third kilometer subsequently, and continues for the fourth and fifth. So from here you underline this one, thus for each subsequent kilometer he took 1/7 more time compared to the time. Okay, let me underline this. For the previous kilometer. So this is the second useful information. Okay, so continue to read the question again. The participants who finished the run more than 2 hours are not qualified for the state level run. Okay, underline this. Okay, the participants who finished the run more than 2 hours are not qualified. Okay, so this is the important information. Okay, the question requires us to find whether Siva qualified for the state level run or not. Okay, that is the one we're going to find out in this question. Okay, so since this is a progression question, the first step what we need to do is we need to identify whether this problem is an arithmetic progression or geometric progression. Okay, based on the statement given, we can know that it is an arithmetic progression. Okay, so this 4 minutes to complete the first kilometer will be our first term A, and then thus for each subsequent kilometer he took 1/7 more time compared to the time for the previous kilometer. So this one will be our common difference D. Okay, that means for the each kilometer he took, you plus with 1/7 time. Okay, you are adding up subsequently. Okay, so from here we know that we are dealing with an arithmetic progression. So let us write down the information now and we convert it into the equation. Okay, so from here first term A is equals to 4 minutes and then the common difference d is equals to 1/7 minutes. Okay, so from here, in case if you don't get clear, so let me emphasize for you. So this 4 minutes is actually stands for the first kilometer, and then this 1/7 minutes is based on the subsequent kilometer. Okay, so we already got the information, so let us continue. Oh, please wait, guys. Okay, so from here, the condition asked by the question is, so you must make sure that you don't exceed 2 hours. Okay, so from here, that means that not exceed 120 minutes at the 15th kilometer. Okay, then you can ask me, so how you get this 120 minutes? Okay, it is very simple, guys. 2 hours, when you convert it into the minutes, so that's how you get 120 minutes. So from here, 2 hours is equals to 2, you times with 60. Okay, you convert the hours into minutes. So from here, 2 times with 60 minutes per hour. Okay, so that's how you get this. So from this condition, we can form an important equation, that particular information we can use to check whether SIVA have qualified or not. So from here, okay, let me show you. Okay, please wait, guys. Okay, so from here we can come up with the equation such that as 15 kilometer should be less than 120 minutes. Okay, let me underline, let me box this equation, guys, so that we're going to check using this equation whether SIVA qualified or not. By the time he have completed the 15 kilometer, he should take less than 120 minutes in order for SIVA to qualify for the state level run. So that is the one we are going to check now. So to check, okay, let me underline this. And underline this as well. Okay, the condition. So this is the very important, guys, okay, which we get based from the question over here. Okay, let us check now. Okay, to find the SN for arithmetic progression, the formula is n/2 in a bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so you can use that formula to calculate the SN. So from here, S15 is less than 120. Okay, let us check this together, guys. Okay, we calculate this. So from here, 15 over 2, okay, and then in a bracket 2, okay, and then you times with a, the first term. Okay, the first term is 4 minutes. Okay, and then you plus with n minus 1. So from here, 15 minus 1, okay, close bracket. Okay, and then you times with the common difference. Okay, in this case, the common difference is 1/7 minutes. Okay, times with 1/7. Okay, close bracket. So you should get less than 120 minutes. Okay, so let us continue. So from here, so you calculate the inside bracket. So from here you get 15/2. Okay, close bracket. So 2 times with 4 you get is 8, and then you plus with 15 minus 1 you get is 14. Okay, and then you times with 1 over 7. Okay, close bracket, then you should get less than 120 minutes. Okay, so this 7 you simplify, get 1. This 14 you simplify, you get is 2. So from here inside the bracket 8 plus with 2, so from here you get is 10. So from here 15 over 2. Okay, so you times with 10, so you should get less than 120 minutes. Okay, so this 2 you simplify, you get 1. So this 10 you simplify, you get is 5. So 15 you times with 5, you should get 75. Okay, in this case 75 is less than 120. Okay, so let me box this. So since in this calculation we get 75 minutes, which less than 120 minutes, so from here, yes, Siva is absolutely qualified as he completed the run in 75 minutes, which in this case it is 1 hour 15 minutes, which is less than 120 minutes. Okay, or also known as 2 hours. Okay, so from here we know that Siva is qualified for the state level run. Okay, so let me write the full statement, guys, over here. So please wait for a moment. Okay, so this is the final answer, guys. So that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.